As annoying as some of us find adjusting to whether or not it's daylight saving time, imagine how watchmakers feel about the bi-yearly ritual of manually setting clocks forward by an hour in the summer and switching them back in the winter. Throw in the various times that different countries decide when this clock-changing convention should take place, or if it should take place at all, and for a few weeks out of the year, all seems to be out of sync, a watchmaker's nightmare. Well, Bovet has come to the rescue with the release of the new Récital 28 Prowess 1 watch. Do you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback? Share them in the comments below or visit one of our boutiques in Switzerland to discover this model firsthand. We're here to assist you. At Les Ambassadeurs, everyone is welcome, whether you're an established watch collector, a window shopper, or new to the world of timepieces. We're happy to show you this model in detail. Visit us in Geneva near the beautiful Lake Geneva, where Ignaz and his passionate team will warmly welcome you. In Zurich, find us at Bahnhofstrasse, the main shopping street, overseen by Mohammed and his team. Explore our Lucerne boutique near the iconic Chapel Bridge, where Max and his team will be delighted to showcase our latest collections and timeless favorites. In the meantime, explore our webshop for a wide selection of the latest timepieces. Let's honor this remarkable timepiece by delving into its every detail. In the 1800s, cities, towns, and villages operated on local solar time, causing inconsistencies even within the same city. The rise of railroads demanded standardized time to prevent logistical chaos and accidents. In 1884, the world adopted a system of 24 time zones based on the prime meridian in Greenwich, UK, also known as GMT. However, in 1972, GMT was largely replaced by Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. Daylight Saving Time, DST, was introduced during World War I to save energy by extending daylight. Today, about 70 countries use some form of DST, though implementation varies, even within the same country. The Récital 28 Prowess 1, developed over 5 years, is a groundbreaking world time watch that adapts to DST variations. Unlike traditional world time watches, it features an innovative roller system allowing travelers to adjust to any of the 24 global time zones, including UTC, American Summertime, European and American Summertime, and Wintertime. Let's see how this groundbreaking world time watch works, shall we? First, onto the dial, which is home to the world time display on an oversized subdial on the lower portion. There are 25 rollers, each with 4 positions: UTC, American Summertime, Europe and American Summertime, and European Wintertime. With a simple push of the crown, each of the city rollers rotates 90 degrees so that every time zone can be individually set. Note the little roller on the left of the subdial, which indicates whether the world time display is in UTC, AST, EAS, or EWT time. Inside the subdial are the 24 city rollers, along with an Aventurine world time disc. The hour and minute hands are placed in the center. As impressive as the world time display is, Bovet didn't think it was enough for the Prowess 1. The watch is also a perpetual calendar. The leap year indication and month are also on rollers, moving forward. However, the date indication, once it reaches its last possible position, rolls back to the starting position like a slot machine. The show doesn't stop there. The Bovet Récital 28 Prowess 1 also boasts a patented double-sided flying tourbillon, which you can admire at the 12 o'clock position on the dial. Bovet has expanded the tourbillon, whereby the balance wheel carrying cage is entirely on one side of the center fixation point, with the escapement on the other side. This results in a more transparent and mesmerizing tourbillon viewing experience. Powering the world time, perpetual calendar, and tourbillon functions of the Prowess 1 watch is a brand new in-house movement, which, as you'd expect from Bovet, is entirely finished and engraved by hand. Let's get a closer look at this spectacular movement where each of the 744 components is hand-finished. Note the pearlage and Côte de Genève decoration on the main plate, the hand engraving on the bridges, and the beveling throughout the movement. The sapphire crystal case backside offers an incredible view of Bovet's championing of traditional decorative arts and its singular focus on mechanical mastery. This is what sets haute horlogerie houses such as Bovet apart from the rest. The hand-wound movement operates at 18,000 beats per hour and supplies 10 days of power reserve. The power reserve indicator is not on the dial side, but in fact visible through the caseback. It's also worth mentioning that Bovet holds the patents to several features within this new caliber: the double-face flying tourbillon, the 3-dimensional teething on the gears that drive the month roller, the retrograde rack control, and the function isolator. Housing the pioneering movement and dial of the Bovet Récital 28 Prowess 1 is the company's famous writing desk case, characterized by its sloped structure. The inclined case architecture is not only visually striking, but props up the dial to maximize legibility for the wearer. At 46.3 mm in diameter and 17.85 mm thick, this is a new size in height for the Bovet writing desk case, which is water-resistant up to 30 meters. Its larger proportions accommodate the tourbillon at 12 o'clock, which is the widest part of the case. Despite the considerable dimensions of the case and the ultra-complicated mechanics within, the Récital 28 Prowess is comfortable on the wrist. The sloping of the case and the shorter lugs add to the watch's wearability and comfort. Bovet will make the Récital 28 Prowess 1 available in 18-karat red gold, 950 platinum, and like you see here, grade 5 titanium. Due to its complexity, the Maison can only produce 8 of these timepieces a year, and the Récital 28 Prowess 1 is limited to 60 movements in total. This is, of course, the holy grail of watches, the watch every collector aspires to own one day. It is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also mesmerizing due to its unique features. When seen on the wrist, it is clearly a statement timepiece, seeking a wrist worthy of wearing such a powerful creation. The timepiece comes fitted with a black alligator leather strap with platinum stitches. Depending on the case metal, the strap can be equipped with either a grade 5 titanium, 18-karat red gold, or 18-karat white gold folding buckle. The first timepiece of its kind in the history of watchmaking, the Bovet Récital 28 Prowess 1's innovative combination of a rollers-based world time, expanded flying tourbillon, and unique perpetual calendar indications represents a significant leap in solving global timekeeping problems. Price-wise, the titanium version is at 702,700 Swiss francs, while the red gold variant is priced at 713,500 Swiss francs and the platinum version at 745,900 Swiss francs. Has this model caught your attention and captured your heart? If that's the case, uncover this gem at one of our boutiques or contact us via our website. What do you think of the Récital 28 Prowess 1? Were you aware of the issue of daylight saving time on world time watches? And do you think Bovet has finally solved the problem? Your feedback matters to us. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions in the comment section below, or why not just drop by for a coffee at one of our boutiques, where you can ask our watch experts anything you've always wanted to know about this model or the marvelous world of timepieces. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss out on the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again.